I'm going to show how to perform a zero check, how to perform testing on this Minitest 70F. Okay, firstly, you turn on, press the on or zero button, turn on shown micrometer, so you can put the sensor on the substrate, take the measurement. So the measurement displays 0.0 micrometer. This indicates that no need to perform calibration, which is accurate. So if the reading is not accurate, you can perform zero check or zero calibration by pressing on this on or zero button, and then you can see display a flash on the display screen. Now you can place the sensor on the substrate, perform zero check, and then press on the zero button again. So done testing zero check. Next, show how to place on a sample, how to test a standard sample. For example, this is the standard sample 78.2 micrometer. I'm going to place on this uncoated sample, uncoated substrate, and then take the measurement, place the sensor on the sample, take the measurement appears 79.5. If the reading is not according to the precision standard, you can calibrate by just pressing on this calibrate button. The top one is calibrate, plus which you can adjust. The below one is minus. So right now I'm going to adjust to 79.0, which is close to the precision standard. Okay, once you already adjusted, you can place again on the standard foil, and then the reading is 76.0, which is almost close to the sample. So if you are still need to perform calibration, you can press on this cal plus button. You can adjust to 78.0 and then turn off, turn on back, and you can place on the sample again to test the standard precision, which is 76.5. Indicate is acceptable according to the precision standard, which is 78.2 micrometer plus minus 0.5 micrometer. If your first point calibration is changed accordingly, you have to recalibrate according to the precision standard you will be using. For example, if you are using different precision standard 11.32, so you have to recalibrate according to the standard sample. So if it's 10.5, can calibrate by press on this calibrate button, adjust the reading to 11.0, which is close to the standard foil 11.32 micrometer, and then you place on the sample. Okay, which give you a standard measurement 12.0 micrometer. Okay, so this indicate that the display reading measured is same with the standard foil measurement. This calibration have to be done when you change your sample according to the precision standard, every measurement have to be calibrated according to the standard foil will be measured.